Hi there, we continue to finish this example on the IQ score example for a confidence interval of a population mean for large samples. As we talk about the confidence norm function in Excel is only calculate this portion of the second half portion of this in this equation. We call it margin of error. And then we just add this population mean plus or minus this margin of error to get our confidence interval. And this is the example. We have the sigma 16, sample size 20, and the sample mean is 94.56. Let's calculate 95% confidence interval. So in Excel, we continue using the confidence norm function. Just delete this one, just test in the previous one. So we continue use the confidence norm function. So confidence norm function, so same thing, alpha level, we choose 0.05. And the standard deviation, we know standard deviation is 16, and then sample size is 20. So we calculate this margin of error is 7.012. And then we calculate the 95% confidence interval for lower boundary is the sample mean minus this value. So we just use sample mean minus this margin of error, and then the higher boundary is equal to the sample mean plus this margin of error, and then get. So the result, 95% confidence interval for this question is 87.55, 101.57. Another way is we have another Excel templates. And this one is called the one sample z-test for summary data with normal distribution and known standard deviation. And the same thing so you can see there's partially filled, and we just clear inputs. Just click this button. Do you like to clear all data inputs? Okay, and then it's form cleared. So that's the inputs is all cleared, and outputs is just no values. So for this example, we just fill in the example sample size 20, sample mean 94.56, and population standard deviation is 16. And then this is just for hypothesis test, choosing hypothesis test and alternative hypothesis test. And then we, in this question, we only need the confidence interval. We need the alpha level 0.05. So we can see we have this one, the lower boundary 87.55, and the higher boundary is 101.57, which is the same result as we see in this example. And this result means, what's the result means? So that's basically saying the average the population mean IQ score is we have 95% confidence that value will be between these two values, will fall in this range. That's all for today. Thank you.